Apologies in advance for the audio quality in this video. I was so excited to make this video that I totally forgot to turn the mic on.
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today it's going to be a very interesting video for you who want to maybe start your own YouTube channel or you have a passion that you want to share online. I'm going to show you exactly what my tiny little YouTube channel makes in revenue, and not only that, we're going to go through video by video. I'm not going to hide anything in this video. I'm going to show you everything, all the numbers, and also on top of that, I'm going to show you or talk about the strategies I have to scale this channel as fast as possible, because I have another channel as well which I've scaled pretty significantly the last couple of years, and I'm going to do the same kind of strategies on this channel, and they're very simple, and I think they're very useful for you no matter what niche or subject you're planning on making a YouTube channel on, or if you already have a YouTube channel, these strategies might help you out. So let's have some fun, let's jump in. Alright, so here it is. This is the dashboard of my channel, obviously. If you have a channel, you know this is what it looks like. This is the new YouTube studio. Currently sitting at 7,090 subscribers with 1,137 in the last 28 days. And as you can see right here, all of it, I'm just showing it right in the beginning of the video here. Why not? The last 28 days, I've made $534 from this channel. And the thing is, I got monetized on January 17th, I believe it was. And some videos make a lot more than others. And there are specific reasons for that as well, which we're going to talk about here in a minute. So let's go into analytics here. Let me show you exactly what's going on. Let's click on 90 days. You can see the total for 90 days is $644, 2,200 subscribers, watch time 7,400 hours, and views 115,000 views. And as you can see, something interesting happened here, because if you look at the views here, I started to make different types of videos right on January 16th. And these type of videos, you guys were really interested in these type of videos. Up until this point, I only made sketch videos, as you can see down here. These were my main kind of videos, and I was kind of struggling to get up to this 4,000 hours in order to get the channel monetized. You need 4,000 watch hours in order for YouTube to monetize your channel. So as you can see here, I just switched it up and started making different types of videos that I thought would be helpful for people wanting to start a YouTube channel, people wanting to maybe generate some money online. So that was on January 16th, and see what happened here on January 17th when we look at monetization. You can see this is when the first video of this new format or this new exploration of content went up. And on January 17th is the day I got monetized. So it took one video and one day pretty much to go from making sketching videos that were struggling to get the views and the watch time that I needed to get monetized. Then I switched up the content, and this is what you need to do on YouTube. Very important to keep this in mind, to always keep experimenting with your content. You can still stay within your niche of your core audience, what they want to see, but you can expand, you can play around with different things. And this channel is so new that when you started your channel, you just want to throw things at the wall and see what sticks. It can be completely different niches. It can be anything that you're interested in, as long as you enjoy making the videos. That's all that matters. You can play around with whatever subject you enjoy doing and different formats of the videos until you start to see some traction, which I did with these kind of videos here. I quit my $80,000 designer job to become a YouTuber. You can go check that story out if you want to. But that changed kind of the trajectory of this channel. And as you can see, the last 30 days, we have a total of $644 total over 90 days. And it started on January 18 with $1.37. And then I can go through here and you can see how it kind of stays the same all the way up until this point where something happened. I took delivery of my Tesla. This is also a strategic move by me to grow the channel. I didn't just buy a Tesla because I wanted a Tesla. I bought the Tesla because I know it would be good for the channel. It's good content. And the reason I bought a standard range plus is because I Googled a YouTube search Tesla Model 3s, and maybe 85% of all the Tesla Model 3 videos out there are either on the long range or the performance. So me personally, I wanted more videos on the standard range plus, so that's why I bought the video, and that's why I keep uploading videos about the Tesla here on the channel because it helps the channel grow, and on top of that, the Tesla videos seem to generate the most revenue as well, which I'm going to show you here in a second. So as you can see, it's starting to grow pretty steadily here, and this one specific video that is responsible for I would say, or two, but one more so, responsible for the majority of this the revenue here. But before I show you what video that is, I want to talk about these two numbers up here. You have this YouTube CPM, which is up here. As you can see, it's slowly but steadily climbing upwards, and then the RPM is really what matters, because this is what you take home revenue per 1,000 views is that. So this is how much you get paid per 1,000 views in your pocket, because this is a CPM and YouTube takes half of your entire revenue. So this is really the number that matters, and this is also slowly going up here, and this is dependent on several things. Specifically, it's dependent on the audience. So if you have an audience based in the US or North America or Canada, the CPM and the RPM tend to be a lot higher than if you have viewers from outside of those countries. And you can see here, let's see what we have in my audience tab here. We can go down and we can see what we have, where the viewers are from. You can see United States is 20, almost 30%, United Kingdom, India, Canada, Germany. And we have 7.6 female and 92.4 male. I hope this will balance out after a while, because I don't think I have a very gender specific channel. Maybe up until this point a little bit towards male, but I hope to get more females watching the channel as well. Another thing that's really important for RPM is the age. So I think another idea with buying the Tesla is I want to get the age of my viewers up a little bit. And as you can see, we have 22% to 22.5, 35 to 45 years, and then we have 12, 45 to 55. So my idea here, my strategy moving forward with this channel is to create content that is more for people who enjoy creating content online and want to create their own channel, and also follow along in my Tesla journey here and how it is to own a Tesla. New video coming, I think, in about 2 days. I just got a lot of mods that I've installed already. I'm going to show you all of that in the next video after this one. It's going to be exciting. But I want to show you the main video that made the most money for this channel so far, and that is, do I regret getting a Tesla 2021 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus over the long range? So let's go in and check the analytics here and see what happens. So this video by itself made $200. And you can see that this is very organic. You can see the YouTube search here is still going strong. So whenever people search for these keywords, so let's see if it pops up. If we open up an incognito window here, let's do 2021 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. Let's see where my video comes up. You can see that it comes up. This is an ad, so this is the first organic search, and then we have another one, and then we have the third one. So my video for the keyword that I want to be ranked for, which is Model 2021 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus, you can see that this ranks very high on the first page of the YouTube search page, which is very good. And you can see that that is reflected here as well in the analytics on the back end of this video. And it got me 75 more subscribers. Thank you for anyone who subscribed to the channel, and also $200. And let's go in and look at the revenue here. You can see that the RPM is 11. If you remember when I showed you the RPM, the overall, the average on the channel, it was about 5, maybe 4 to 5. So this is a very important video for the channel. It has very high RPM, and on top of that, it just keeps getting views without me doing anything, because it's ranked for the keywords that I want to be ranked for. The second video that did very well, and which I'm very excited about really, is my first impression of the $45,000 2022 Ioniq 5. I love making these videos where we talk and have a discussion about new car designs that come out. This is one of my favorite videos to do. Just analyze the designs and see what direction the brand is going. If you watch my main channel, The Sketch Monkey, you know that I used to do a lot of these videos on there, but now I'm moving those videos over to this channel specifically, and only having complete redesigns on the main The Sketch Monkey channel. So let's go ahead and check this here. This made $95 from 16,000 views, but gained 125 subscribers, which is a lot more than the 75 of the Tesla video, even though the views I think are a bit lower. I can't remember really, but this is still going strong with the browse features. And the thing with, when I pick a video to make a design talk video about. Very important is to think about how recent was this car dropped. Are people still searching for this video? Is it going to be relevant over a long period of time? Where are the majority of viewers going to come from? These are questions that I ask myself before I jump in and make a video on that specific car, because I want the time that I put into making the video to be worth it in terms of return on channel growth, if that makes sense. And I have a feeling that the Ioniq 5 would do very well because it's a cool looking car from Hyundai. It has a lot of new design language and technology in it. And let's go see in the audience here, where we have the audience from. This is not cool. We need to bring this up. 88% of the people who watch this video are not subscribed to the channel. So if you watch the video, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, obviously. So you can see here, South Korea is big here, the audience, almost 10%. That is, of course, it's a South Korean car. They may be interested in seeing what I have to say about the design here. But I think what really matters here when it comes to the RPM and the high RPM for this video is the age. This is a little bit older than what I'm usually seeing on the average of my channel, and that brings up the RPM. And on top of that, we have 22% views from the US as well. So I think I'm gonna stop there. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you, because I think these videos are important to talk about and show you the behind the scenes of what it is like being a YouTuber. And this is obviously not my only source of income. I think I have maybe 5 or something like that sources on a monthly basis income, and of course the other channel, the YouTube channel as well, the Sketch Monkey channel. But this is for you who want to start a YouTube channel and want to get to know the ins and outs of how to think when you're making videos, how you want to rank for your videos. You can use the keywords as well. I forgot to mention that, but you have a section where you can add keywords as well for your videos to rank them higher in a specific keywords and stuff like that. If this video is useful to you, I would love to know if it was, because I love to create videos like this as well, and I would love to help guys or girls like you maybe watching wanting to start a YouTube channel to get growing as fast as possible, since I've done that with one channel and now experimenting with this channel right here as well. So let me know below what you think about this video. Thank you as always for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe and the little bell right there as well, so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.